Right, this is the Trapman large cat trap. Can also be used for rabbits, but a bit expensive for rabbits. Right, setting easy enough. Get some bait. Put the bait underneath the cage, directly under the treadle plate there. So a good piece, about 2 inches across. Nice piece of either flattened out mackerel or even some favourite cat food. Put the trap on top of the cage, on top of the bait. Lift up the 2 levers at the front, which lock the cage door. Slightly pull them up. Lift the door to the top and push back on the hook so it goes under the green bar that pivots both the locking bars on the front of the cage. Simple enough. Cat walks in. I've put a bit of bait just at the front of the cage, so a bit of dry cat food at the front. Perhaps a bit inside, just to entice the cat in. Right. Cat walks in. Steps on the treadle. Well, the treadle pivots a different way from our design of traps. So you need to put the bait underneath the cage, underneath the treadle. So the cat can't reach underneath the treadle and drag the bait out. Cat stands on the treadle, which operates the bar, which pushes forward on the hook to lock the cage door. If the cage locks don't go down, the cage door is heavy enough to stop it lifting up. That's just caught underneath it. But normally, if they don't go underneath, if they don't go all the way down first time, it's because this piece of wire here has been bent up by either somebody standing on the trap or you've dropped it somewhere and it's got bent at the bottom. So just press it down before you start. I'll set it again. Lift up on there. Press the hook back so it lifts the treadle up. It's exactly the opposite way to how we design a trap, how the Trapman traps are designed. But a very effective trap and no springs. Cat stands on the treadle, pushes the hook back. It's a long way on the hook. It's a good inch set on the hook, so you could set it there and it would still catch. So there wouldn't be much play in the treadle. But sometimes it's better doing it with a little bit of play, and so other times it's better doing a lot of play. So they get used to the treadle moving before it actually goes off. Anyway, once the treadle goes off, then the door is locked. You can't lift the door up. Make sure when you lift it round you do extend it, just to make sure that you actually catch. A good, quite a large cat trap.